Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. Now in this video we are going to discuss quadrilaterals and its types. Done? So that is the topic from standard 8 chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. So here quadrilateral and its type. So what is quadrilateral? First we have to define the quadrilateral. So write down the definition of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, quad means four, lateral means side. So four sides are there. So quadrilateral is a basic type of polygon. It's a one type of polygon. So polygon with four sides is known as quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is nothing but the polygon with n equal to 4. n means number of sides, है ना? Polygon with n sides. So any polygon with 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. So consider this is one given quadrilateral. This is one quadrilateral ABCD. A B C D. So this is one quadrilateral. So in this quadrilateral total 4 sides are there. 4 sides are there in this quadrilateral. Then quadrilateral is the special type of polygon in which number of sides are 4. So polygon with 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. So this is one quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral total 4 sides are there. That 4 sides are side AB, side BC, side CD and side DA. Done? So 4 sides of quadrilateral are there. So that 4 sides are side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. 4 sides of quadrilateral are there. Now in this quadrilateral total 4 angles are there. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So here in this quadrilateral we can say 4 angles are there. 4 angles are also there in quadrilateral. Done? That 4 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. We can also represent this angle by using the 3 letter notation. That means angle A can be represented as angle DAB or angle BAD. Angle B can also be represented by angle ABC or angle CBA. But here we are considering the notation with only 1 letter. Done? So any quadrilateral total 4 sides are there, 4 angles are there, and also we discussed that number of diagonals. So diagonal is nothing but the line segment joining 2 non-consecutive vertex. So 2 non-consecutive vertex are A and C and B and D. So here 2 diagonals are there. 2 diagonals BD and this one is AC. So 2 diagonals are there, BD and AC. So 2 diagonals which are nothing but the line segment AC and line segment BD. 2 diagonals are there. Line segment AC and line segment BD, 2 diagonals are there. Done? Also 4 vertex are there. In quadrilateral 4 vertex, and 4 vertex are known as vertices. And only one point can be defined as vertex, but plural it is vertices. So total 4 vertices are there. These are the vertices, point A, B, C and D. So here 4 vertices are there. Vertices are nothing but the point. 4 points are there, A, B, C and D. Done? Now if we consider total elements, total number of elements of quadrilateral. So here total number of elements of quadrilateral are nothing but the 10. Total number of elements of quadrilateral are nothing but the 10. Total 10 elements are there. आप बोलेंगे सर 4 + 4 + 2 + 4 कुछ ज़्यादा ही नहीं हो रहा है. तो here for counting the elements of this quadrilateral, we are not considering these are vertices. We are not considering these vertices as an element of this quadrilateral. Reason because these vertices, which are nothing but the points, they are the part of the side. Suppose if we are considering side AB, तो side AB के अंदर ये vertices आ गए. That means we are not considering this vertices as a separate element of quadrilateral. क्वाड्रिलेटरल के एलिमेंट्स काउंट करने में वर्टाइसेस को हम सेपरेटली काउंट नहीं करेंगे. वी आर कंसिडरिंग दिस वर्टाइसेस अलोंग विद दिस साइड्स. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर 4 + 4 + 2, 4 एंगल, 4 साइड्स and 2 diagonals. Clear students? So total 10 elements are there for the quadrilateral. Done? Now next is sides. If we consider 4 sides of this quadrilateral, side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. So out of these 4 sides, we can say this side AB and side CD are pair of opposite side, and as well as side AD and this side BC are also pair of opposite sides. Done? So in case of quadrilateral, two pairs of opposite sides are there. Two pairs of opposite sides are there. Pair मतलब two. Then two pair, total 4 sides are there. Out of that 4 sides, we can consider this one AB and CD as a one pair, which is pair of opposite side, and AD and BC as a one pair, which is pair of opposite side. So here 2 pair of opposite sides are there, and they are side AB and side CD. Side AB and CD is one pair, and another pair is side BC and side AD. Side BC and AD और DA, है ना. आप साइड BC बोलो या फिर CB बोलो, सेम. आप साइड AD बोलो या फिर DA बोलो, सेम. सो 2 pairs of opposite sides are there. Done? Now out of that 4 sides, total 4 pairs of adjacent sides are also there. Adjacent sides, है ना. एडजेसेंट मतलब बाजू में, नेबर, हमारे पड़ोस में. सो 4 पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर देयर, तो बाजू बाजू में. सो फॉर एडजेसेंट साइड, one point will be common between these 2 sides. Suppose if we consider side AB and side BC, so for the side AB and side BC, this point B is common, and that's why we can say AB and BC, it's a pair of adjacent side. So likewise AB and BC, BC and CD are adjacent pair, CD and DA are pair of adjacent side, DA and AB in which A is common, hence we can say DA and AB are the pair of adjacent sides. So total 4 pairs of adjacent sides are there in quadrilateral. 4 pair of adjacent sides. That 4 pairs are, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. AB and BC, side AB and side BC, BC, side BC and CD, side BC and CD, then side CD and DA, CD and DA, CD and DA, and last one DA and AB. DA and AB. DA and AB. Total 4 pairs of adjacent sides are there. Done. Now sides हो गई. Now we'll discuss about the angles. 4 angles are there. So same way है ना, जैसे sides में था, likewise angle में 2 pairs of adjacent, 2 pairs of opposite angles and 4 pairs of adjacent angles are there. So here now we are writing now angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So angle A and angle C, pair of opposite angles. Angle B and angle D, pair of opposite angles. So 2 pair of opposite angles are there. 2 pairs of opposite angles are there. 2 pairs of opposite angles. Which are the opposite angles? Here angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C. Another pair angle B and angle D. Angle B and angle D. Angle B and angle D. These 2 angles are said to be a pair of opposite angles. Now 4 pairs of adjacent angles. 4 pairs of adjacent angles. So which are the 4 pairs of adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, angle D and angle A. 4 pair of adjacent angles are there. Angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, angle D and angle A. 4 pair of adjacent angles are there. Angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C are pair of adjacent angles. Angle C and angle D are pair of adjacent angles. Angle D and angle A are pair of adjacent angles. Clear, students? And last point that we already discussed, angles and property of quadrilateral. So here angles and property of quadrilateral says that angles and property of quadrilateral says that sum of interior angle of this quadrilateral, that means angle A plus B plus C plus D, sum of interior angle of this quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Done. And sum of exterior angle of any polygon, it may be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, sum of exterior angle of any quadrilateral or you can say any polygon, that means वो quadrilateral के लिए भी apply होगा. So sum of measure of exterior angle, that is always 360 degree and interior angle quadrilateral के भी क्या होगा, 360 degree होगा. Clear, students? So this is short introduction regarding this quadrilateral. Now we have to discuss its types. So before that, pause this video and note it down.